So welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review and overview India's military exercise with Russia and Belarus. India has recently participated in a massive military exercise alongside Russia and Belarus, a drill that has drawn global attention. Belarus, being a strategic location, has seen deployment of advanced missile systems, including some capable of reaching Europe. This exercise involves thousands of troops and ballistic missile drills, making it one of the largest in recent history. The state purpose is to enhance military coordination and readiness, but it has naturally attracted international scrutiny. India's involvement is seen as a significant move, demonstrating its growing role on the global defense stage. Indian forces joined this drill, showcasing skills, coordination, and readiness, while also signaling that India is capable of strategic partnership beyond international boundaries. This participation has raised eyebrows in Europe and the US, who are closely monitoring the developments and potential implications. Reports suggest that Europe, especially France, is adjusting its defense posture in response, including positioning certain assets in strategic locations. The US is also observing carefully, considering diplomatic and economic responses. The drill has sparked discussions about global military alliances, showing how interconnected defense strategies have become. Israel's cooperation with India in certain regional operations adds another layer of complexity. Advanced drone operations and monitoring systems are reportedly being coordinated, demonstrating the use of technology and intelligence in modern defense strategies. India's involvement here highlights its increasing significance in regional security matters.